Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you how to make a house plan step by step.
घर बैठे अपने घर डिजाइन करवाएं। घर, प्लाजा, बिल्डिंग, रेस्टोरेंट की डिजाइनिंग, नक्शा चार्ट और कंस्ट्रक्शन। इसके अलावा इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग, रेनोवेशन, पुराने घर को नया जैसा बनाएं।
Guys, you can see here, this is ground floor plan and this is its first floor, and the last one you can see this is its front elevation. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, you can see. So the size is 30 by 75 feet. This is ground floor plan. Let me write here. Size is 30 feet by 75 feet. In this ground floor, guys, you can see this is its front to the road side. This is main entrance, which is about 13 feet. So when you enter by this main gate, so this is its front lawn, which width is 10 feet. And next, this is a driveway to this porch. Size is 12 feet 9 inches by 13 feet and 9 inches. Next, guys, you can see we have two open to sky, which is guys, this one to the back side 5 feet, and here you can see this is the side space which is 5 feet wide. Okay, so 5 feet and also 5 feet, guys, you can see. So here, if you see, when you enter by this main entrance, so this is entry lobby. Okay, next this is a drawing room. Size is 15 by 13 feet, you can see clearly, and this is circular window to the front of this lawn. Here, guys, you can see this is sliding door, especially for this dining. Size is 11 feet by 11 feet. Also, you have the access from this TV lounge. Next, you can see this is a powder room. Size is 4 feet by 5 feet. This is its ventilation. Next, guys, you can see size of this TV lounge is 11 feet 9 inches by 15 feet and 6 inches. This is its window to this open sky, which is 5 feet sideway. This is a staircase which width is 3 feet and 9 inches to the first floor. Guys, you can see this is the other access to this dining. So from this dining you can access from the TV lounge and also from this drawing room. Next, guys, you can see here this is a stair hall, you can say, which is about 10 feet width. Guys, you can see this is a kitchen. Size is 10 feet 4.5 inches by 16 feet, and this is veranda. And this is exit door also to the back side, 6 feet and 9 inches. This is pantry. Size is 5 feet and 6 inches. This is its window right to the back side lawn, which is 5 feet width. Next, this is a first bedroom on the ground floor. 12 feet 9 inches, width is 12 feet 9 inches, and the length is 16 feet. And this is its window to this open sky, and this is dress plus bath, and this is wardrobe at this corner. And this is the door for this bath. Size is 12 feet 9 inches, length and the width is 6 feet, and this is its ventilation. Guys, this is ground floor plan. You can make a screenshot from this if you like it. So guys, now let me guide you for the first floor. Here, this is first floor plan. If you see, guys, same the bedroom, the ground one, which is 12 feet 9 inches by 16 feet, back side dressing room, guys, you can see, which is this one. Okay, the place of this kitchen, guys, you can see this is a box or store, which size is 10 feet 4.5 inches by 5 feet 10.5 inches. This is servant quarter, guys. You can use it from the back side of by circular stair. And here, this is covered terrace, guys. You can see the place of veranda. Next, guys, you can see this is a down to the ground floor, because now we are on the first floor. And here, the place of this drawing room and dining, guys, you can see here where we have the bedroom. Size is 11 feet 4 inches, 11 feet by 14 feet 4.5 inches. This is its window. On the top of this porch, guys, you can see here we have a terrace and down roof, guys, you can see, or low roof, you can say. This is a terrace, and the size you can see 30 feet by 12 feet, right? Next, guys, you can see here this is attached bath. Size is 6 feet by 8 feet 4.5 inches. This is its window. Guys, you can see this is a projection, right? And the TV lounge is 11 feet 9 inches by 15 feet and 6 inches, where you have the same design. And guys, we have here two bedrooms on the first floor and servant quarter from the back side, and this is its store, and also you can use it as a kitchen on the first floor. Now let me guide you for the front elevation. Guys, you can see this is its front elevation. So total area of plot is 30 feet by 75 feet, where we have the total area 2250 square feet, and the covered area, guys, you can see here on the ground floor we have 1567 square feet, and the covered area on the first floor 1188 square feet. So the total covered area is 2755 square feet. You can see this is gate boundary wall, and this is front elevation. Okay, these are windows, this is also window, this is window, this is main entrance. So this is front elevation. You can see the boundary wall. Hope this short video can help you how to make a house plan step by step in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.